Hey guys, welcome back. Well, today we are here at the Tourbillon. This is, how big is the boat, Captain?
90 feet.
It's a 90-feet yacht. This is special for fishing. Yeah, you want to go fishing, you got a big group. You can fit up to 16 people. Is that right, Captain?
Yes.
Yeah, 16 people you can bring on this boat. It's beautiful. You will see, we're going to show you everything on the boat. This is fantastic. So the captain is going to introduce the crew. Please, Captain.
Of course, yes. We have our stewardess Melina, we have Alan and Juan, our deckhands, and myself and Captain Dustin.
Captain Dustin. This is the crew that you will expect to see when you come to this boat. I know, I usually do show you the food, the drinks, but to be honest, I just want to do a quick video to show you the boat because there's not a lot of boats like this. Actually, I think a fishing boat from this size, I think is the only one in the marina, right, Captain?
Yes,
yeah,
correct.
there's no more boats like this one. So this is important. I mean, of course, they have a chef on board. Once that you're here, you can have the breakfast, the lunch, the snacks, the open bar. They have a wonderful bar. And as you can see on the video, you're gonna see all the equipment. They have first quality equipment. We can go from anything. Do you have any memory, Captain, about the biggest fish you catch on this boat?
Well, the biggest fish, it was during a business tournament a couple of years ago, 500-pound marlin.
It's a blue marlin?
Black marlin.
It was a black marlin, 500
correct.
pounds. Wow. So they have everything you need on this boat. All right. I'm just going to show you the boat. Hopefully you guys like. And if you're feeling like want to have fun on this yacht, I mean, just give us a call. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you, crew, for the little ride. Thank you for showing the boat. And we will be waiting for you guys to show up in the boat. Thank you very much. I hope you guys like the video.
I want someone who can please me. I want somebody who cares. I need a lover who never leaves me. I need somebody who cares. I've been searching my life, I just couldn't find it. The special someone to give me my heart. I've been searching my life, but then I found it. Now I won't let you out of my sight. I wanna keep